to enable or disable on-screen keyboard when using physical keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So after click on general management, click on physical keyboard. So after click on physical keyboard, so click on, you will see show the on-screen keyboard is here. So if you want to disable show the on-screen keyboard, so turn off this button, you will see show the on-screen keyboard is disabled. So if you want to enable show the on-screen keyboard, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see show the on-screen keyboard is enable. So you will enable or disable show the one on screen keyboard from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable on screen keyboard when using physical keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.